WTF is ChatGPT-5? It's not just a chatbot. It's the latest AI from OpenAI, and it's aiming to make your conversations feel shockingly human. ChatGPT-5 is the next generation of OpenAI's conversational AI. It builds on GPT-4, but with better reasoning, longer memory, and more accurate responses. Think of it as going from a really smart friend to one who also remembers everything you've ever talked about. So, what's new in ChatGPT-5? There is a massive training data update, more recent events, and more accurate facts. Longer context window? Now it can remember way more of your conversation without forgetting earlier parts. Better multimodal abilities. It can work with text, images, and possibly even audio or video. There is also some improved safety and accuracy. Fewer hallucinations, more reliable answers. This isn't just a nerdy upgrade. ChatGPT-5 could replace how we search Google, how we learn skills, and even how we work with AI assistants in real time. Businesses, coders, writers, and everyday users will have faster, more personalized AI at their fingertips. But here's the WTF twist. As AI gets smarter, where's the line between tool and partner? And are we ready for an AI that knows us? Maybe better than we know ourselves? So WTF is ChatGPT-5? It's the next leap in AI. Smarter, faster, and possibly your new best friend. Just don't forget, it's still a machine, for now.